Commission Cloner review. Hi there, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks so much for checking out this review. As usual, I will give you some very valuable bonuses for those that buy just the front end of this product, and I will show you everything you need to know to make a decision about this product, if it's for you or not. As I will go through a bit about on the sales page, I will help you save money by showing the down sales and so on. And I also, of course, will log into this product so you can see for yourself how it all works. But let's now first have a look at my bonuses you get. So here are the bonuses you receive instantly after purchase. Commission Blueprint, a product by Glenn Kosky. The Super Affiliate Blueprint that generated over $500,000 in 12 months. How to start from scratch with no connections, no product, and become a super affiliate in 2018. Of course, it works as well this year, of course, and beyond, and more, valued at $97. And then let's go to bonus number 2. 10x commission, 10 times commissions by Brendan Mays. This is the secret to 10K a month. In your spare time, you can set it up in 30 minutes. How to 10 times your commissions with strategic affiliate promotion and more, valued at $97. And bonus 3. Video watermark. If you use video marketing, this will be great for you. The PC only tool allows you to quickly add clickable images and videos onto any video. This boosts engagement. This also lets you add buttons, covers, etc., and other clickable elements. Then when you add annotation on YouTube, you can use these links to drive traffic from YouTube to your website. And then we have bonus 4, Facebook Live Wire, an amazing new Facebook feature that you can utilize to skyrocket your customer base and get you bringing in the cash by the boatload, and make $1,000 plus, make $100 to $300 per day with Facebook Live and more, valued at $97. So that's what you get for just buying the front end. And let's now have a look at the sales page. So here is the sales page. Let's go through it a bit. Commission Cloner, new app, clones profits of $475 per day into your accounts. New for February 2021. 0 experience needed. 1 button activation. 100% clone commissions. Clone commissions fast. Get 100% free traffic fast. 0 hosting. Tech skills or experience required. 100% done for you. 100% cloud-based app. 0 website or content needed. 100% beginner-friendly. Proven method for this year 2021. And here where you click to get my bonuses and buy the front end. And I'm going to show you the funnel so you know how to save money with this as well. And you get a 30-day money back guarantee. Here's some income proofs and more of that, and it's 3 simple steps and so on. Log in and access the done for you campaigns, and then you get free traffic. And Chris, Rick, and Vivek is the guys behind this product, and more proof there. But anyway, you can go through this page in your own time. And we're going to look inside the members area shortly just to see how this all works. So let's do that now, and you can go through this page in your own time. So the first thing we need to do is go to the settings of your account, and then you're gonna enter your affiliate link for the different platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So that's what you do. Enter your affiliate ID. For instance, you enter your ClickBank ID here, and then just click on update and you're good to go. Then we gotta activate the campaigns for JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Then we go to the affiliate, click on the affiliate page for all these products, and when you are approved, you simply put your URL, referral URL here, then you click on, so this turn green, that is activated. You do that with all of these campaigns. Click on create and create a campaign. Then we choose a niche first and say we want to use make money, and then we go to the next step, and you can choose a ClickBank affiliate program, or you can anyone in the drop down menu, or you can add a brand new one that you want to promote. So here you search, let's say we want to have ClickBank Traffic Block 360, and you can here you enter if you want to enter a new offer to promote, and then we click on where we send free traffic to our content. So how it works with the done campaigns and getting traffic to your campaigns, to your system, is that you got to choose a question for the visitor, for the leads to see and answer. So you first choose a question and then an answer. For instance, do you want to make money from home? Then you can choose that one, and then we go down to an answer. Here's how you can work from home starting today. Let's mark that, and then we're going to go down a bit, and then we're going to choose an image that looks good, one of these, or you can I think you can upload your own, but anyway, that's the image we want to be using, and then you can proceed to edit. You can browse here to change the image. Here's how it looks when you share on social media. You can double click on the text, edit the text, and then you can double also this text to the answer that you chose. You can edit that text, and then when you're pleased with that, then you just click on save and get traffic like this. Now here are all the different social sites to share on, and here you can choose which platform you wanna, what category you wanna use sharing buttons for. For instance, if you just wanna share on sites, social sites focusing on list building, you click on that, and here you have those, and then you or if you wanna have show all, you can show all social sites. And what you're going to do next step, when you share to all of these that you want to share to, you just click on the shared ones on your so you see a campaign. You will see a different campaign. Now you can delete the campaigns, or you can click here to share them more, and all your campaign here. So here you can start a new one, and you just rinse and repeat, do this process to all of the products that you are approved for within Commission Cloner, and you'll be good to go. So now I thought we should go through the bonuses you will receive when buying just the front end of commission cloner. So the first bonus is Commission Blueprint, product by Glenn Kosky, the super affiliate blueprint that generated over $500K in 12 months, and how to start from scratch with no experience or product and such. And then we go to bonus number 2, 10 times commission, 10x commissions by Brenda Mays. The secret to 10K monthly in your spare time. You can set it up in 30 minutes. How to 10 times a commission with strategic affiliate promotion and more. And then we have bonus 3, video watermark, a software that is you only can use with a PC computer, where you quickly can add clickable images and videos to any video to boost engagement and so on. And you can add the buttons, covers and more to that. And bonus 4, Facebook Livewire, an amazing new Facebook feature that you can utilize to skyrocket your customer base and get you bringing in cash by the boatload. Make $100 to $300 per day with Facebook Live and more. So let's now see how you can save some money by checking out how the upsales and downsales look for this product. So here, how's the funnel look like at Warrior Plus? You can save some money by saying no first to the front end, and then you get a downsell on that. And you can also get the downsell and save some money on Commission Cloner Unlimited if you say no to that first. And then you can get a downsell on Commission Cloner Autopilot Edition as well. And you can also get a downsell on save some money on Commission Cloner Done For You edition. Let's see here now. Yeah, that's about it. So that's how you can save some money. So let's now remind ourselves what you get for buying the front end of this product from me, that you get instantly delivered for free to you. You get Commission Blueprint, a super affiliate blueprint that generated over $500,000 in 12 months for Glenn Kosky. And then you have bonus 2, 10 times commission, 10x commission by Brenda Mays. The secret to 10K monthly in your spare time. You can set it up in 30 minutes. And how to expand your income and commission 10 times with strategic affiliate promotions and more. And then we have bonus 3, video watermark, a software for PC computers. Allows you to quickly add clickable images and videos on top of any video. It boosts engagement, but also lets you add button, e-covers, etc. and other clickable images. Then when you add an annotation on your YouTube video, you can use these links to drive traffic from YouTube to your very website. And then we have the last bonus, but not least, bonus 4, Facebook Livewire. And you can use Facebook Live to skyrocket your customer base and get you bringing in the cash by the boatload. And you can make $100 to $300 per day with Facebook Live and more. So that's what you get for buying the front end of this product. It's for bonuses. And if you like this review, then make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.